YouTubers. This is Brocoder, and today we have another JavaScript toy problem called isFactorial. So we're given a number and we're asked to get its factorial. And so first, what we want to do is create a variable var factorial. I'm going to name it factorial is equal to 1. And we start with 1 because I'm gonna explain it later. And then we create a for loop. For var x is equal to 0, x is less than num, actually less than or equal to num x plus plus. Then we want to create a curly braces for our block. And okay, so we're back to why we wanted factorial to be 1. It's because we're going to pull that variable down here, factorial, and what we want to do is take that factorial, and multiply it with our loop result here, which is x. And actually, I just caught a problem with my for loop. It starts with 0, so the first number x will be 0, so this whole thing will be 0. So we got to change that to 1, save that. And at the end of this for loop, when it's done looping, once it hit equal 0, we want to return factorial. Return factorial. So we want to save that. Let me just double check. If you want, I'm gonna console log or log bang x, so you guys can see what's going on. Essentially, it's starting from the number right here, and we're multiplying. We're taking factorial, which is 1, over here, and then we're multiplying it with 1 first, so that'll equal 1, then 2, then 3. And we're taking the result from here, putting it up here, and we're pulling it down here to create like actually it might be better if we could maybe we can do this, so we'll have a better visual of what's going on in the for loop. Let's see if that works. All right, bang. So as you can see, oh, it's getting the results. I wonder if we can do this and can see all of what the mechanics is. So I'm going to clear that. Nope, it's still not giving us. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? All right. So what's going on is this starts at 1 until it hits that number, and every time it switches to 1, then 2, then 3, till it hits number 8. And then it multiplies the results with the results of the last loop. And that's how we got our factorial. So let me see, maybe just x, so you guys can see what's going on with x. So as you can see, it goes from 1 to 8, and it's multiplying with the results of the previous factorial. This is the result. We'll take a look at what that is. So it's it's 1 at first, and the first result is 1 because that's the given value we had here for factorial. And then the second result is still 1 because we multiplied 1 times 1, that's still 1. And then the next number is 2 because essentially the first number was 1, then the next number for x was 2, which is, I think, yeah, right here. And that's why the results become 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, which is this. 4 times 6 is 24, and so on and so forth till we hit the 8th number, and this is the result right here. And that's factorial. Till next time, thanks for